Ever wondered how a $30,000 sports car became a $15 million legend? Prepare to be dazzled as we unveil the mind-blowing story of the first Chevrolet Corvette. On this very day, June 30th in 1953, the very first Chevrolet Corvette rolled off the General Motors assembly plant in Flint, Michigan. The first production model, known as the C1 Corvette, was unveiled to the world, and little did anyone know that it would become an American automotive icon. The C1 Corvette was a head-turner right from the start. With its sleek aerodynamic design, it gave a sense of power and elegance. It featured a fiberglass body, a revolutionary concept at the time, which contributed to its lightweight and nimble performance. Under the hood, the C1 Corvette was equipped with a 150 horsepower Blue Flame inline-six engine. While it may not sound impressive by today's standards, it was a significant step forward in terms of power and performance for the era. It could go from 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 11 seconds, a remarkable feat back then. But what truly set the Corvette apart was its affordability. With a price tag of around $3,500, it was within reach for the average American car enthusiast. This made it accessible to a wider audience and helped cement its place in automotive history. Over the years, the Corvette has evolved and undergone numerous transformations. Each new generation brought advancements in design, technology, and performance. From the iconic Stingray to the powerful ZR1, the Corvette has continued to push the boundaries of automotive excellence. Hidden within the sleek design of the Chevrolet Corvette lies a secret language known only to a few. Every number and letter adorning this iconic sports car carries significant meaning, like a code waiting to be deciphered. From the legendary Z06 to the powerful ZR1, these alphanumeric combinations reveal the unique attributes and capabilities of each Corvette variant. The Z signifies a high-performance package, unleashing the full potential of the Corvette's engine and handling. Meanwhile, numbers like 06 and R1 denote specific power levels, with higher numbers indicating even more accelerating performance. This secret language weaves a narrative of speed, precision, and excitement, inviting Corvette enthusiasts to dive deeper into the world of automotive excellence. It's a language that speaks directly to the hearts of those who appreciate the artistry and engineering behind this legendary sports car. The Corvette has become more than just a car. It's a symbol of the American spirit, embodying the pursuit of excellence, the thrill of the open road, and the passion for pushing boundaries. It has inspired generations of car enthusiasts, capturing the imagination and fueling the dreams of those who dare to dream big. So, as we celebrate the anniversary of the first Chevrolet Corvette, let us raise our glasses to the dreamers, the risk-takers, and the visionaries who brought this iconic sports car to life. Let us honor the legacy of the Corvette and all those who have contributed to its enduring success.